today we are going to learn how to use Canon M50 Mark II camera. First of all, insert the lens. Align these white dots and turn the lens clockwise to lock the lens. Then you have to insert the battery and the SD card inside the camera. Just unlock this button and insert the battery over here. Make sure the battery and the SD card is properly aligned while inserting. And now you are ready to use this camera. First, flip the screen to your side. To turn on the camera, there is a button given over here. Slide this button to the on side and the camera will be turned on. If you are getting this message on the screen, it means lens is locked. There is a button given on the lens. Just switch it up and turn it clockwise and lens will be unlocked. After unlocking the lens, you can see the live view screen on the screen. There is a knob given over here. We will suggest to keep it on the A+ mode, that is autofocus. You can use this capture button to take photo with the camera. When you press this button semi-half, the camera will do automatic focus, and press it completely to take a picture. You can see this picture in the gallery mode by pressing this button. If your camera is not doing autofocus, then you have to press this AF/MF button, which help in switching between autofocus and manual focus. To take video with the camera, there is a red button given over here. You have to press it once and the camera will start capturing. Press it again to stop the video. You can check the video by pressing this gallery button. To turn off the camera, you can use this same button. Just slide it to the off side and the camera will be turned off. So this is all about Canon M50 Mark II.